Hello guys, welcome back to my sparkling, cute world of creativity where even simple lines can shine like gems. Today we are going to draw something super elegant and magical, a green diamond. You know what is special about this diamond? It's not just about the shine, it's about confidence. There was a tiny gem sitting quietly among others with she believed that her green glow could make the world brighter. And guess what? She did, just like our creativity, small but powerful. So grab your pencil and paper and a little sparkle of imagination and let's make this green diamond glow together. Now you can see guys, our diamond drawing is almost ready. Okay, diamond is shining bright, Hannah. Hannah, just like your talent. See, if the easiest shape can turn into something magical when drawn with love and patience. If you like this sparkling moment, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Till then, bye bye and take care.